35 Amazing Facts About Nature. Do you know that the taste of beetles is just like the taste of apple, whereas the taste of insects is just like the taste of fried pigs? Humans are the only animals that sleep on their backs. Flamingo can eat only after lowering his head. Goldfish can see both the infrared as well as the ultraviolet rays. In early days, the skin of willow tree was the only source to make aspirin. The shrimp's blood does not have any color, but when the blood will contact the oxygen present in nature, it converts into blue color. Owls are the only bird that can see the blue color. The fish, electric eel, has the ability to store 600 volt of electricity within itself. The skin of frogs that throw poison also contains dangerous toxic. The longest flight of a poultry which is recorded till now is only a duration of 13 seconds. Without moving his head, duck can't move. Cows do not have front teeth. Carrots have 0% fat. So if you are paying attention to your fat, then you can eat as much carrot as you like. Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen gas. Only strawberry and cashew are the two fruits whose seeds are outside.